Oh hey, did you know that we have a dash cam for a G01 as well? Welcome back, I'm Dylan with BimmerTech. We've talked a bunch about our new dash cams and showed you them in an F30, an F10, and now I'm pleased to announce that we have one for this G01 X3 as well.
This plug-and-play dash cam fits perfectly behind the rear view mirror, allowing this G01 X3 to have a discreet 4K dash cam always running when you need it most. With the included 128GB SD card and optional rear dash cam, you won't miss anything regardless if you're driving at night, in the rain, during sunset or sunrise, or even parked.
There are two ways to install this dash cam. One is by tapping into the rain sensor behind the rearview mirror, and the second method is running the cabling to the rear of the vehicle and tapping into a fuse panel. But since most vehicles do have that rain sensor, that is the method we're going to be focusing on.
If you want to get a better idea on the fuse box method, you can check out our F30 video linked in the description. While the vehicle is different, the principle is the same. Remove some trim, run some cabling, and tap into a fuse. Keep in mind you will get a detailed set of PDF instructions with your order specific to your vehicle.
Installation of the optional rear dash cam is just as easy, and to run the cable for that, you'd follow the same steps as if you were running power to the rear fuse panel. But with all that out of the way, Jared is going to show you how to install this dash cam on this G01. So Jared, take it away.
Before disconnecting anything electronic, it's always best to disconnect your battery first. Start by opening the rear hatch and removing this panel like so. With a 10mm socket, remove the negative battery terminal and set it aside. If you want, tie a towel around the hatch latch to avoid it from closing and locking you out. Now inside, with a BimmerTech trim tool, remove this trim by gently prying down from the back and sliding it out. With your hands and a trim tool, remove the left side of the center trim like so. Do the same with the other side. For the wiring, start by removing this connector like so. A pick tool may help. Now grab the harness from the BimmerTech plug-and-play kit and plug the connector you just removed into the harness like so. Take the red connector on the BimmerTech harness and plug that into where you removed the factory connector from. Now let's prep the dash cam by separating the two halves. Jared opted to remove this connector here since this is for the optional rear dash cam, which we will not be installing. You could leave it or remove it, up to you. Now for the final installation. Start by grabbing the half of the unit with the dash cam and snap it into place like so. Connect the two red connectors and tuck them out of the way like so. Take the other half and snap it into place just like Jared did. Finally, reinstall the rear panel by sliding it in and then snapping it back into place. Once that's done, reconnect your battery, replace the cover panel, remove the towel if you tied one in place, and you're done.
That's it. That's all there is to it. Again, for all the specs on these cameras, go check out our previous videos we've done, linked in the description. But just to give you a quick example on what to expect, here are some clips recorded from the dash cam in our G01. Want this kit for your BMW? Head on over to our website and enter your VIN to get the compatible kit for your ride. Have any more questions about this product? Reach out to our sales team via chat on our website or by calling. Already have this product and have any more questions about the install or anything else? Reach out to our support team and they will be eager to assist. But as always, for more tips and tricks, product reviews, and so much more for BMWs, Mini Supers, and now Teslas, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. Want to know what's happening first? Head on over to our website and sign up for our newsletter. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.